Good morning and welcome to A Field. This is my new car. It's a 1991-ish Miata, and according to websites that are totally not for money laundering, this thing is worth like $20,000, $30,000. Bastard. $50,000. It's all mine. So this Miata is equipped with the racing lightweight package. I hear this stuff's lighter than carbon fiber. And on the inside, security system. There we go. On the inside we have a seat, singular, a steering wheel. It's got one of those. It really is like a driver's sports car. There's nothing you don't need. You've got a shifter that is technically attached to the car. Carpets, trim, yeah, it had that. Banging sound system, some glass in there, I don't know how that could have happened. Oh, 3 tools. All the spark plug sockets I could ever... Okay. Oh yes, we won. Okay, more sockets, but also 10mm ratcheting flex head wrench. We make good purchasing decisions here. What else we got? Got a radio, got... Broken. Let's see here if we go around the back. Yeah, okay, and that's the car. So Miatas are nothing new to me. I've had that is so hot. I've had quite a few of these, but what I haven't had is a Jeep. A lot of my friends are getting Jeeps, and one of them has a Ford Bronco, which is like a Jeep, except not made by Chrysler, so it's like 30 times better automatically. But they can all take their doors and windshields off, and I've never experienced that before. I want to experience a car without doors or a windshield. So it turns out Miatas are a little bit better built than I expected. Doesn't open all the way. Well, I can fix that. Jeep and the Bronco is just like a couple of bolts here and there, and the windshield and the doors come right off. And it's pretty easy on this too. Only minimal damage to the rest of the car. Glorious salad that I'm sitting on. We got some paint, got some glass, a whole bunch of Kansas Flora. I don't know. Come around here to see why this is a problem. The battery's in the trunk. You open it with the keyhole right here. There's nowhere for the key to go. Well. I may have removed the battery. Alright. Yeah. Okay.
No, I think the latch is a little out of alignment. I'm not sure what happened there.
That's weird. This car is so well taken care of. Let me see if there's anything in here that can help us. Hey, I found a 13mm socket. Oh, cool, you got the battery. That's going in my boat. I guess it doesn't need the battery to keep running because the battery left the chat halfway through that. If nothing else, at least I got a bunch of tools out of this. Been kind of curious what this thing looks like underneath. Let's see here. What do we got? Yeah. Wow. It's like the rustiest Kansas car I've ever seen. Weight reduction. Oh, I got a splinter. Ow. Well, my NA Miata ownership experience has been fun, but I'm hungry and starting to get bored. So let's wrap this up. Well, that was a terrible idea. So it took up, did a donut right here, about where you guys were standing, and then did another donut over here, missing this power pole stay line by like a few inches. And then it swung around, and just like the weeds growing up around this G-body stopped it from going any further and just kind of aimed it right into the brush pile. So it worked out. Yeah, I think I'm done with Miata ownership. Thanks for watching.